Imagine gazing up at the night sky, seeing the twinkling stars, and knowing that one of those tiny pinpoints of light is our next frontier, Mars. This captivating red planet has long fascinated scientists, dreamers, and sci-fi authors, but could living on Mars move from fiction to reality by 2050? Today, we're diving into what it would take for humans to set up camp on Mars, from dealing with intense conditions to relying on cutting-edge technology. First up, the Martian atmosphere. Unlike Earth's warm, oxygen-rich climate, Mars's atmosphere is a cold and thin veil composed mostly of carbon dioxide. It would be like trying to breathe atop Mount Everest, times 10. So how do we overcome this? Scientists envision sealed habitats that would regulate temperature, provide breathable air, and protect pioneers from the harsh winds. Think biodomes or space station-like constructs, equipped with life support systems pumping out cozy, breathable air. And then there's gravity. Mars has only about 38% of the gravitational pull we experience here on Earth. Imagine feeling lighter, like you're floating through your day. While this sounds like a dream, weaker gravity can be tricky. It could lead to muscle loss and bone weakening over time. To counter this, astronauts might need special exercise regimens, or even gravity-inducing technology, a sort of sci-fi gym to keep them in tip-top shape. Now let's talk survival essentials, food and water. Mars is a desolate place, with no rivers or abundant fields. So how do you feed a colony? Hydroponics might be the answer. By growing plants in nutrient-rich water instead of soil, we could create mini-farms inside habitats, providing fresh fruits and veggies right on the red planet. Water would still be a challenge, but with NASA's research, extracting water from Mars ice caps or even recycling every drop could keep explorers hydrated. But wait, there's more. Cosmic radiation is a biggie. Mars has a weak magnetic field, unlike Earth, which means radiation from the sun and beyond bombards its surface. This isn't just a sunburn. Prolonged exposure could be harmful, causing illnesses or worse. Future Martians might live underground or in special shield-protected habitats to dodge this invisible menace. Tech fans, this next part is for you. Cutting-edge technology will be our ally in this space adventure. Automated rovers could scout out the best spots to settle, while robotic helpers would handle tasks too dangerous or tedious for humans. Elon Musk, with SpaceX, dreams big with his Starship plans, envisioning fleets that make Mars as accessible as distant lands once we're on Earth. Meanwhile, NASA is fueling the research engine with its Mars missions, slowly building a bridge to the future. All this sounds pretty epic, right? But are we really ready to take such a giant leap? Shifting from short visits to permanent settlements demands teamwork, innovation, and grit. As we advance scientifically and overcome challenges, the prospect becomes increasingly tangible. Future explorers might look back at Earth the way our ancestors looked back from the hilltops of uncharted territories, seeking new beginnings. So, here we stand, on the edge of a cosmic adventure. But the burning question is, as we dream of walking on Martian soil and staring back at Earth, reflected as a distant star, are we truly prepared to step off our home planet and into the vast unknown? Only time will tell if humanity is ready to become an interplanetary species by 2050. Making these dreams not just a possibility, but a reality in the tapestry of the cosmos.